Tracy here with Paper Closet Designs. In today's video I want to show you and introduce you to a new card that I've come up with. So this is called a Pinwheel twist card, and this is the cup Pinwheel twist card. And how you use it is, it just twists and you get a different scene each time. My card's falling out of there. Every time you twist it, you get a different scene. It does come with a pocket that you can either use for a gift card or a tag or anything else, a little note that you want. And you just keep twisting it, and each time you get a different view. And then when you open it up, it kind of looks like a pinwheel in a circle. So it's called the Pinwheel twist card. And this one I did, this again is the mug card, and I did it very simple with just some plain cardstock. But you can really dress it up and make it really unique with your printed paper, embellishments, stickers, sentiments, stamps, whatever. It's just such a fun card. And I have quite a bit of these that will be coming out really soon. So I'm going to show you how to assemble it. And I've made another one. This is the mug, actually the pumpkin spice mug card. And this is your front, and I've already glued everything together, so it's just layered. Some of these pieces, like that little leaf, are kind of small, but they fit on there, they go together really well, and then you have your shadow outline just to put everything together. So we'll put that on in a minute. All of your cards are going to come with these basic things. So you are going to have 4 of the skinnier embellishment pieces. There's 4 of them. You will have a embellishment or a decorative panel for your pocket. And then you'll have 3 more embellishment or decorative panels. And you can cut these all out of the same printed material, the same color. You can do them differently. You could do 4 different ones. I've done them in 2 different patterns, and then 2 different patterns for the skinnier pieces. For the card base, you have 2 rectangles. You have a pocket panel, and then you have your card base. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this card base, and we are going to fold on all the score lines, and we are going to fold them away from us or towards the table. Now there is one more line right here, and I don't know if you can see it or not on the camera, but it has 3 little lines. This is just a placement line. It's not a score line, so don't fold on that. You'll want to score on that first tab and then 3 more. So you have a total of 4 score lines. Okay, once we get to this point, you are going to take one of your decorative panels and you're going to glue it right to the front of there. And I'm actually going to work in this direction. And my papers are papers that I printed myself, and that's why they have the white background on them. Okay, next we're going to take one of our regular squares or rectangles, and we want to glue it to this strip right here. So I'm going to put my tape between those 2 score lines. And lay rectangle right up against the first score line, and then make sure that it bends, and then I want to add another decorative panel to that one. Next we're going to take our pocket piece, and it doesn't matter which pocket you're doing. It can be the diagonal pocket or the library pocket, and we are just going to fold everything. So we're going to fold everything down away from you. So we're going to score on that middle fold line, and then the 2 tabs. And we'll set that aside. I'm going to take my pocket decorative panel and glue it on. And there is just a little bit of a shadow on that one as well. And then we're going to put tape on those 2 tabs. fold them up, fold our pocket up. And now I'm going to glue this pocket to that middle piece right there, in between the two score lines again. So you want to put the tape on the base, not on the pocket or on the rectangle. Just line it up there really nice and neat. Press. Make sure that it folds. And then we're going to take our last rectangle and put it on that last, not on the tab, but on that last column between the two score lines. And then we want to take our last decorative panel and glue it to that rectangle. Okay, so there is the front of your base. Now I want to turn it over. And remember that score line that I said is right there that you can't really see, or excuse me, not a score line, a fold line. That's your placement line. So I'm going to take one of my skinny pieces and I'm going to place it right up there with some shadow showing. I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to put my next panel, my next decorative panel, on that skinnier piece. Fold it up, put my next decorative panel on that skinny piece. This seems really confusing, but it's not. And once you've done a couple of these, it goes so fast. And they're so fun. And then fold it and put your last decorative panel on there, that skinnier piece. Okay, then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over and I want to put tape on that tab. I'm going to fold it back. I want this tab to go, the edge, that folded edge, to go right against that placement line on the back. So I'm just going to fold it over a couple and lay it right along there. And now you have your flip card. So there is the pocket. There's one side, there's another side, and it just keeps going. Now to decide which one you want the front, for me, I put my pocket on the back. So I'm going to fold it so the pocket is facing up, flip it over, and that's going to become my front where I'm going to put my little embellishment piece. Okay, we'll tape it. And because this has so many layers, it's kind of thick already, so it just gives it a lot of dimension and a lot of fun. And there is your Pinwheel twist card. And the nice thing about that is they fit in your regular A2 envelope. So there's an A2 envelope. Just slide it right in there. Mail it to your friend, your neighbor, whatever. And then you have your Pinwheel twist card. Such a fun, fun card. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll hit the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any of my videos, and have a great day.